Okay, this is Super Nintendo Classic Edition. It comes with 21 games, okay? In order to add a lot more games, you need a adapter like this or similar, and a flash drive. Any flash drive works. Okay, so in order to do so, you need to turn it off. Plug off the power cord, plug in the power cord into adapter, and plug in this side of the adapter into the console. Okay. Make sure everything plugged in. Then you power the console, and you wait a little bit for it to start. See, this one lights up. You see the games. So you see all the consoles here. So you can choose, and then like you can choose other games, other consoles, and many other games.